How to stop App Store asking for password on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, simply launch the settings application on your device. Further, scroll down and tap on the screen time option you see there, and then scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now, if you have your content and privacy restrictions disabled, then you can skip this step. But if content and privacy restrictions on your iPhone is enabled, then tap on the iTunes and App Store purchases option you see there, and you will then see the option for require password. So go ahead and set it to don't require, and with this, your iTunes and App Store will not require password. Additionally, go back to Settings homepage, scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode option you see there. You will then be required to enter your passcode in order to unlock this page. Now, in this particular interface under the Use Face ID for tab, simply toggle off the toggle button for iTunes and App Store option you see there, and with this, if you go ahead and open App Store and simply try to download any of the following apps, then as you can see, you will not be required to enter your Face ID or passcode anywhere. Also, it is really important to keep in mind that this only works for free apps, and this does not work for apps that you will have to pay money for. So this was about how you can stop App Store asking for password on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.